hustling. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! Alright, we got a good one for you today. Jam-packed market update for you guys today. Now, we'll head over to the charts later, but our top story is inflation jumps past a 4-decade high of 9.1%. Bitcoin falls, the stocks fall, everything falls. Today has been very volatile, but in reality, the price is only down on the day less than 1%, 0.1%. So less than a tenth of 1% is what the price is down today, but it was very volatile. It wicked up and down over 5%. Inflation just keeps rising and rising. When you get a 3% raise, but inflation is 9.1%. All right, now, on a serious note, I do think that inflation has most likely peaked, and this is why. If you take a look over here at the oil, this is the crude oil price. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have certainly noticed because the price of oil has been coming down. The price of gas has been coming down, and we seem to be in a crashing structure. There's not much support here until about 90 to 80, somewhere in there. So if this keeps coming down, this is going to be a big factor towards inflation. So I don't see, we're still going to have high inflation. It's still going to be ridiculous. It's still going to suck. But I think that inflation has probably peaked because of this. Oil is a huge factor when it comes to inflation. Now, huge mega news for the SEC and the Ripple case. And Ripple is not really doing anything price action wise, but it could absolutely punk. The judge denies the SEC's motion to keep the documents secret in Ripple's case. They went back and forth and back and forth and forth and back. Now, they will likely appeal this, but if it is upheld, this is pretty much the nail in the coffin for Ripple. Now, in the SEC case, they deemed XRP a security, which is like me deeming oranges a security. It's impossible. We're all with the crypto community. If you are into cryptocurrency, this is a very big case for everyone, whether you have XRP or not. This is a huge, huge, monumental case. And potentially, this could be getting wrapped up by the end of this year. And if that is the case, XRP would be the one and only 100% regulated cryptocurrency. And you know what follows regulations? Trillions of dollars. I'm super, super bullish right now on XRP. This is massive. Now, in other news, founders of Three Arrows Capital have gone missing. They have just straight up fled the scene. A classic rug pull. We're out of here, bro. See you later. Sayonara. It was nice knowing you. Now, this has been, in other news, this has been said to be a black swan event. This is, however, not a black swan event, and let me tell you why. The exchange, 137,000 Bitcoin will soon hit the market as Mt. is set to release funds to creditors that have been locked up for over 7 years. Basically, Mt. essentially got hacked. Someone found a glitch in their website, and they stole millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Mt. locked up the funds and is now finally, after 7 years, they're supposed to release 137,000 Bitcoin, which is about $3 billion. Now, this is a little bit more than what Luna released, but this is assuming that everyone is going to sell all at the same time. Also, Now, I think this is going to make the market go down for sure. This will definitely have selling pressure, but a true black swan event is something that, by definition, we could not have predicted this. This is not a black swan event because it's literally right here. Like, we know it's coming. And not only that, but most of the investors of this 137,000 Bitcoin, there's a huge, huge percentage that have been bought out by hedge funds. So I would say over half of this has already been bought out at a significant discount price because when they bought them out, they didn't know if they was ever going to get paid or not. I mean, I probably would have done the same thing. And if I had, like 5-10 Bitcoin that I was getting paid out after 7 years, I would definitely be dumping it on the market. But this is not a black swan. I think that this can make the market go down, perhaps, but I don't think it's going to just purely tank it. Now, what crypto lenders don't tell you. This is a really good article. It's basically saying that you give them your money and they gamble away your money. You give them your crypto and they take your crypto and they just go and gamble. This is what the banks do. This is what happened in 2008. They were we're giving them money. They're just gambling they were literally gambling on which house is going to go bankrupt, which fund is going to go bankrupt. So, not your keys, not your crypto. They just seem like the reasonable people. Get your crypto on the exchange, buy, sell, whatever at it, and then take it right back off. It's not that hard. It's simple, guys. Like, literally, it'll put you at so much peace of mind just getting your crypto off the exchanges, especially in turmoil, bear market times like we're in now. If you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Link will be in the description. Swole is the goal, size is the price. All right. Now, this is a pretty good. I just retweeted this. These are the following ISO 20022 compliant as of this writing. This is the New World Order. This is straight up. All these are on the World Economic Forum. Like, okay. So do some research on these. These have a significant portion of my holdings currently. Now, like we said, the market cap. Today was a red day. However, today has just been a volatile day. We had pretty much bounced right back to where we were. I think we went to 850 at one point, but it's been very volatile. And as you can see, this was a bloodbath early this morning, and now we have some projects flipping green. Quant has flipped green. ETH has flipped green. XRP has literally, as of I'm recording this, these have flipped green on the day. So pretty cool. It's a full moon, you guys. You know I'm on this full moon stuff. Like, literally, like, how coincidental is it that the CPI numbers for inflation, they come out literally on the full moon? Like, you have to be open-minded that it's a window, and it's just an energy that the market is going to bottom for that area. So today's a full moon. Today the CPI came out. So this, I'm going to be taking some long positions, XRP. Now, that is it for this time. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love every single one of you. Follow me, subscribe to the channel. If you want exclusive contents with my buy, sell orders, I have a great 101 strategy that I just posted today. I'm going to put a sneak peek on that on the video tomorrow, but go ahead and check it out on my Patreon. I'm putting out a ton of good energy, ton of good value. There's books on there, over 7 books for free. So right there is just a $70 value. But that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. I appreciate you guys. I'm
Damn hustling.
It's your boy, Ski.
Hustling.